Kaya
So,
wala kang masabi sa mga anak namin eh.
pati extended family,
Masyado
That
silang
includes-
care.
yung kanilang mga partner. So, happy birthday, Randy, and thank you so much. I thank the Lord for giving you to us, and I wish you all the best, more favors kay Lord. And sabi nga sa John 10:10, sabi ni Jesus, I come to give you a life that is full. So I wish you live your life to the fullest and reach your dream. So, andito lang kami, suporta kami sa iyo. And saludo kami sa iyo. God bless. I love you. We love you.
Thank you
Mwah!
sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Sa darating pang panahon, alam namin walang katapusan ang inyong gagawin sa amin.
And take care of yourself para talagang masaya hanggang sa retirement nyo.
Okay.
Learn your lesson from us, okay? I love you.
We love you.
We love you.
Happy
Bye.
birthday.
Happy
and more to
birthday.
come.
Enjoy!
Enjoy your life.